media my tima season on 9 bebo ye be page mo na afedi akibia ato aso etimi era man on the shootout ye won komo bebrebe di komo be di Ghana Premier League Monday 5 weekend di etimi ekos unsusu aso no ye bre na ya sandi bia bana abo ma nema koye pa etimi edia man afedi 27th Agusa games no oro ni HMO enso Ken UST a egusu ekos ye ya na open ceremony no eje peni etimi ekos ni ye be ramona ye den komo do na bana abo na nema da ye pre etimi edia man so nim no ye be didi nkoma do na be ya fona transe Michael Akomia Jemfi the sports messiah ofidema Michael Asaribo do the presido enso ano na afi no Jeffy Asari the apostle enso omu nyina ka bo ma obo ma ne ma da ye pa etimi era ma dini abudiabi okram sia yima e wonom zaso na ne no keche mo ne omo ma kaka kimo ebu ejuma bo ma ne ma da ye so etimi era ma tike ho na ye ni nkoma do na na hihye no enso da ni maka se na ya ba ko a edi nkofo nya pa wanwe ya dabi no ebebubu ni sciatica na sciatica wansem de otia expert ni e ba ko pe 21st clinic on also ra na ye boa ni etimi so ano na so no ogia na so etimi bu adwuma sciatica o kan wansem aya na nkofo nte boys na fa na ze ni kiski ana kanchima bi ana baby girl bia na ho efeme pa twa ya de dwuma edi no ano edim bruta ni nyina ze ram ofie na wanya be papa te se 21st ankwa ebe hye mwase nyina ebebubu mo eba ne se mboa na ne no ajakum ti aziponi na ne ya so anako akwakoto nsamompom na ne aye deja ti ze netie ewo so ram ne ehwe na yetimi eso ano kama pa etimi eramanti na watrase ache wagina acha ma to asintintin ne twon atwon ram o hyem awiam nkotodwe ram na achi ho wanwe ya debi no o ba bebubu eno na ne no 21st clinic expert won mo adwuma no mudi no omutwa ne yopo pa e ma ne ye kama pa di sciatica on sense ne yomo a Africa Omaji Award Ghana de Omaji Award so yasi afana nyina Omaji Award sa odro na izanzo medwuma no ano edin brutal na enye no nko yare no fiu ti so baba besi na se no 21st for na yetimi aso ano kama so no etimi era momo aso ye no kwa services omo randa on ano edin ni nyina ne ze omo nurses omo ni muti na afi on hihye pa etimi era ma wa wokọ nyakọ akọja yaresa no enti lab wo ha na ye bre na yado so na yare bibi are ne hye ne yi etimi era to scan services no mo ye massage no makase Fridays bia e wozo okọ na akọkọje ne dodo wa emiemia wa akọkodu fie na da unzampa odanda fompa enye no nko ase ye de ense emiemia no amobọ mode etimi eye machine treatment na nyina no ebebo na hyehyɛ na da ye pa etimi era ma Ghana de more than 15 branches ejuma no omobọ no eya de ano ede na senete opo mu kumase ahwa overseas junction mo ebe na fa radio bo ase council quarters so call junction obenya omo nkoko atani ato stadium main gate no obo mode na etimi ya makra omo ebe na American House me pacho uru ani chemo Isle Gwan Ramon Yamboa na ne man koye pemfama fa doctor na man ne nkasa oni omo di nkoma oba bi kra ho hia kra ezem ne no be fa ka kra ba kumase ana wa konkrana ya tro bebi omo no wakọ akọ izanze ya ye ya pa 0540311311 0540311311 dog bejo so no aboa na ne ma de da yesu etimi ra ma yaka se the FIFA World Cup no bebi ba kopa obebo mo de na wetimi nya bi ahwa man tutu na koye pa ana wenya commentary no etiama ne ma dadi so no etimi ra ma ne Sompa 93.1 we no enyo bibia ene benya gese ana live commentary no ewramu so etimi ra ma on the TV no ye beboa etimi re coaches akuku dampa ene referees no ababa betranse ne ma bu ona e ba na ntiase a omo analyze ne kama pa achechu mu na ne ma koyi so etimi era mantime pacho 20th November ekokosi 18 December baby a wo se wutie no Sompa 93.1 anya nko Sompa 98.9 sunyane na wa bomode na abo na hihye no adaye etimi era ma na wo wutie no ene wa ohwe ne won hihye pa de ma achere bebebe ramu etimi ede ama medikin ama po se Ghana ye be she Portugal 3-0 to the pego score so no na fa omo bra odi omo tato a wo no se ye be ma obi a we ya o ye be ma bibri tino hye so za World Cup ide haya ena bomode na wati na abo na ne ma da ye pa etimi ede ama nipa bi a obedada se bize bi aduane nye bi oboa ezanze no na ma hode ma nkwatenten ezama nyansa ezama adwene na afi so kra no esanhye nkran ni nyina ne zo onye aduane pa na udi a unzampa ewiase na nkasa da we no atemu da oba mu ede pa ni nyina ne ze aduane eni nyame asem ntwamu da di bebi a wo zo didi na o Philippa ne X5 restaurant and pub tienie X5 restaurant restaurant and pub urumo bar go beba no waba be dama zezanze nye baby a ene ebe transi ne adidi yo bebu okọ transi na adidi a amache na wankaza be 2 piga na ono o transi didi asumdwe o ebeboa ama ne makoye pera manuane no benku ne tilapia na pe benku okro super na stew no obenye bi na face no fufuo no enkwan ne ya so tutu kwa ene maame no twa fufuo ne nkasa oju fufuo pa ageze maame tilapia enkwan ne kakra ponche nkwan kakra emre ne nwade ne kakra na no de remunam na piso etimi ere amame jollof rice ho emutu ho ampesi ho wachi dodo na e kan bi de ye po bi de fi amano ne aba ede see local food no obedi a oro ni chemo ma so omre aye hihye papa ere amano special fried rice french fries na pizza ni nyino mo edi unjuma ene no open drinks na salt ansa ebetimi aka bi dia no eden dia no emre no obenya bi o ma so ene after wedding no reception mo pro kese omo edi be adwuma fa na pese mo kokoko hia kodi nkoma ye o san hihye pa no etimi erema se ne ye na aba fi aba ninto na aba ade dodo na aba be hiem no anya nkofo ama ma nya aduane a eda mawa na obi nsa kokopa next time ya meboa na papa wu afro bi omba isanze ya na ye bibio wa ni nyina mboa ema ntotuye nko ye kra entimi emfa ema se no wo shop no form na ma ne omo nka se aduane bia no ye be deliver na kama pere ama 0549 6096970 0549609697 opomo akro from Sika FA bejo seni abua nyama nema deda ye pa etimi ediama na be Heba Clinic ma mine ejuma no obo ano edin brutal ni nyina ze ejuma ye no ejuma so ebobo ama nema ko ye pa etimi era mana hye no so se ne wayemre wo mpem pem so empem wade na nkasa no open transition no from a wiser to beam nation wiser na ne ze eno ni lady akwa ko hye we no de nam so akwa iku amene ni koko hye no kwaku am na de na ize nkruma kwa makuti azemi a wapaize ni nyina no kwa abebe boa ye ntutu ni ye de ama we no enhyara anye de kwa first week ni measure etimi ere ama after no na second week no ba na asan measure abu zampa nyade no transition no e ya de ye dwuma maka se girls no ketwa 5000 kese 5000 ombe na omayi kese ni zanzo omgidi se no e de betimi apema pempa arera bebi eni se ra di no wanye ne sa na ade ni so amepacho ebe hadwen kakra ni nyina mo na ntimi aboa na be de maka se aye bebre mo hwe netimi etu edi ho ananso mudi ujuma etimi ere ma neche ombebo mo die etimi edi ujuma ere ma se gono na hepatitis no diabetes o yin ha ten afi no bacteria infection na de ba ko me de ne se ene sickle cell for na be ba bebo aze no to atwa akwaya mu ze Ghana man penyi pa da chi bi onimade ezi abeti o sickle cell patient achi obi me pacho ne abebe sickle cell for no aboa etimi aso ano anema ekoye perma sickle cell test no ye scan test omo ebo mo de atwa opo mo atano so apatrapa new site o omo be apatrapa junction ko ene ma mini ni nkomo no mbo ezanza apumdi ne ehu hia pa na ebo di na niwa ni nyina ne zo akwa enimade o metwe exam so amba apumdi ni wie pe ya ejezo omode mo wo fam chembia ndi we na ye mo anane man da dien fama fa na number no enkomo bia ne ma mini ndi obeboa ama ne ma da die ama 0243 3453920 0243 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 na abe yambo na jana so na ne man koye pa entimi enfama kama pa ntetem so ye Ramon se ni akwa kodi nkomode a odo wani chema de Ghana Premier League no eno matches a odo na etimi ekoso a na no edin ye papa result ye record ye dikan abobo so ananra after say Diana nya Chile Gon City abo me kaba ko a omo entimi after the game no Kwame Adom Frimpong inform Kwame Adom Frimpong evidence that this particular season no ne target was set area man ho no say ne city enkomo say no ne edi
security dey eba ko pe no ani say me pese me boy aduana etimi edi top phone otimi bam say aduana betam ba top phone media say me so work hard the hard work na me work na AP off as mo bia target dey top phone because last season the entime we are top phone aduana etim bia na ka fi bia anko ye kura nya ne top 4 but last season ye hwe ase ya na ehu ye this season we target top 4 but me kan say no nkyere say nya league ni so ayenje okay security
Tiano ya command ne Kwame Adom Frimpong Modiana intersem ne target no or the Eram kama pede aman so former striker the man new we dibia say and the local Black Stars Isaac Minta also chess a league you know so of course Tiano ya command ya Brantia ye friend Isaac Minta the two judges women away no or more Pedro cry was or more regional league no or more Jene Boamane Makoyepa Edema Ediana Football Club or Wanichi Mo Legon City Somalia Dukana Akra so Akra or no Sunya Kunya Baba game no more a team ball cran after the game no say no din and common fire.
coach and make a size at a form. The one me and a man. Well, Mujimi didn't know the first season I made Johnny. It's Mamma who be an BB Thomas, never want to take your more. I mean, give him Philippines my presence. It's in a binding advice on the mammy from behind me. I'm moving forward.
Atiano ya komo kakra ne ya branti efena du kwabna ebo mo die timere je na atofok na hu ze na no mo game na omo dwom na so omo bo ore game no se de on common city a omo ene Kimo Danko Tukuru asene de boadi na ehun ze na ne gas na wako ena na captain de mo na ebizo parados adense se biaba e wa atofok aso ya de star na wako ene captain omo no komo si no dijai.
Fatau is he's not playing. He's not in the first team as in the starting lineup. So Obi only starting lineup. They want to be for captain man, and you have to look for somebody who is in the starting lineup to put the captain somebody. And to be fair, when Awako stepped out, Robert Abu was there as well. So when Fatau gets back, he's the captain of the team. So, but that is the decision of the coach.
Tiano ya komani opo mo de JHS in this draft court Marty Cheberno Fatau. Enya starting lineup on Tineo de ne Koko Ramsa, enya de se no betimi ayi sara mom no na e wo so mo we no mo ye tuini ne po amane ma de da ye pa etimi era mom tie no kan bi na wako e captain ti bizan na game na nkasa to dwa no ono akasa ma bobuko no se na se wo game na nkasa.
Very difficult one, but football there the most important thing is to be able to switch through the players to be able to stand very firm, and then we have been able to get the 3 points.
Atiano ya Komane Kwame Opara to Bomoti Timiri Jani in Abwa, Amanema Koye Permanti store on the Ghana Premier League day 5. In a standing game in Kosona Kramo, Monfami Ramo Accra Sports Stadium. Namere, Mediama Sporting Club Limited, giving a Babeshas, you know, Okwa, Amudresu will see no more. Yano ye game na ye Japan na Roma Cross Sports Stadium egusua ye monitor na ya pomodena nkomo no ye timiera dan izanze game no ya ba 15 minutes na ni na mo no ye hwe de betodwa bia no ye betimi e de ram kama pre timiera mantie no e bet power Ghana Premier League no ene ye bomodena amadi 5 ye yi ho nkomo no na afia hu sere nema esi etie nra sere ye bomodena bobo matches no so ani ba kwa e koso no ene didi ho nkomo a ye bomodena ho nsem no ye timiera down tie no ye Great Olympics ene jom na so ene Mediama Sporting Club Limited e dia boni asa now obi antimi amposo ne yonko atenante no e de koso ye don sensem no enso etimi era down na yenko enkoko ramu bichimi United o maso ye Francis twene e play obo adwuma etimi era ma na ebiza na local team na kan bi ba qualifier no ye drop na o ye disappointed o sa decision a eramu ma ono ho ana.
Okay, the call up local blasters now. Like I was very happy. Name and keeper said, Mr. Francis, many opportunity to meet me join local blasters. We had the kind of performance that we could do up last season. And meeting me name in that position of the local blasters. Nana drop home and like every player and every player we are wishing they say like Obeshegan Gisina or Chinagana and name either under 20, under 17 local blaster and I say senior national team. Chance and I'm still not me so maybe Bodo say come penny saying can I messages in Ibinan come aboard Nagana but in Timia Massa I'm running coach still now me I'm not doing now when still now I feel na tournament proper the continue say they show say me grew up my best performance no even try last season and I say I'll get a chance to say me to represent the Ghana or tournament.
Tiano ya komane opomo de timere jani na mrebo amane ma da yere amanti Francis twene Isco midfield edema Bichim United no na Rinka edema Bichim ona no ne Roma Emmanuel ano na dedike bizanza ano unya akwenya kokoramo ili na onisa solo bubu kono kwa wasiaba na eno na affect to play nana.
Well, like I said, that one made me play and the rest it was between the agents, the club, and the Sassuolo team. And still meditating this episode. Actually, I don't know what's going on right now. I'm just hoping everything will work. Yeah, I have it, sometimes I have it because as a player, I didn't want to go and return back. So me call because of one or two things, we started turning back. And I said, me buy, you could see say how that affecting performance, but now I have to reset and get it back.
Atiano ya command Emmanuel ano ebo modere tuja chese okoba no fa baby no e affecting the play is as wakwa go zampa assassin anka say the Mosi de no Mosi woni bi hu kin aba na nsi wona asen aba check say ha ni wi an bokra na agina mu na agba ano eden kakra eni bruni krum no e ha na kakra na so ni nyina mu no aba na bi say Opokunti Academy the legend Opokunti na academy na ano eden pa wona ano yakwa ko hu Kevin De Bruyne na bi ana obotu akwara je say ball number eba ya po na akwa na yefio adaga ya hu ze enezo ba ku yo kotokui Roxen ono zo oye adwuma na be chems ya hu bebra mo academy wona ankasa Opokunti Academy no ano ne eni nkoma academy wo de mpa na wo a mo ba ball no mo division 1 no kra bi da mo premier da ba mo ba ball na mo ball ya na no edin
oh no, Mecca said because of say a legend way and then and then the one thing I'm observing on said you're working hard for training was intensive, so yeah, Bobo now making sure say training away they give you out.
Tiano ya command your pop modi etimere tuja chesa ampa ene onyene ba ne de ne papa ti ase no so echi no wo legend bi ti ze Opokunti na oho no ne mu yejuma o chemu ne ma bibri o mo work hard ne boa e ma mu jomo na so yejuma ma ne ma dadi pa etimere mo na Gusa Games no me pa cho 27th Gusa Games no nei open ceremony ne JP ne course of us mo me enjoy kakra time na no mo bonyom no say na feeling it here. Atiano ya dear course Ethiopian ceremony ama enjoy kakreboa emane makoye pray team man after no na Gusa president ye friend Shaibu Ibrahim Tanko adedi kan bisa ne say importance no Gusa giveaway na kasa no de na ye send city obomode kan honsem kakra komoze no na ye
Gusa Games is here with us at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, KNUST, Kumasi. Before I proceed, let me take this opportunity to thank all the distinguished guests and dignitaries for taking time off your very busy schedules to come and partake in this event. Indeed, this is a clear manifestation of the seriousness that you attach to the growth of sports and the development of our youth in Ghana. Nana, Ambassador, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I need to mention that sports is not just a means of entertainment, but it has become a major avenue for job creation for young people. It is therefore important for universities in Ghana to properly mainstream sports into their curricula. Elsewhere, universities have developed courses in sports science, not only to modernize sports and make it attractive, but also to create opportunities for young people who have interest in sports to develop their talent in various sporting disciplines.
Atiano ya komo abo modere atu ya cheza mpa jumadi we na ba no abo amane no ye nkwada na awramo e wo school pon mu no omo eyi omo niam bi adi e ba na sports mo abo amane ma dade e mo after no oto aso sandi nkomo cheze za games we no emfaso e beboa no man Ghana yensu yenya etimi da film
of science and technology. There are a lot we can do to make these sporting disciplines attractive to our youth, and the universities need to lead the way in this regard. For instance, nowadays, the introduction of video assistant refereeing, VAR, and goal line technology in football matches have contributed significantly to minimizing errors on the part of match officials, and thereby reducing wish to appeal to government to commit more resources into the development of both the sporting curriculum and the training of sportsmen and women in our university. We also need to educate our young men and women to understand that sporting activities are not only for people who are not academically good. and that you can study sports as a course even up to the PhD level.
Atiano ye koma wapo modi timire jeti no president enema Gusa Neurama Ibrahim Shaibu Tanko or your former coach at the Real Tamale United and Amabo Modia open ceremony na so we did in command on na baby de no and is a net be mutimiko football no ana ebana sport and kofu ni ye no ya no madwen was it be antisa e ade crowd hu rama timusua ho ade no kra e kodu level bia hu zampa e persona wadu no omo yidu ebo ama na ma dadi petimi era ma ministry no ne pay perfect prof pt chumesi pay kesi yaro ani chimo national sports authority a obo ejuma ne ba be joma namu ebo ama juma de timi e course no so no edin komo akran kromo say ina prof pt chumesi ebo mo de tuja
games. This is the 27th of it, which we are hosting here at the KNUST. Professor, I always say we because I'm part of you. The last time KNUST hosted the Gusa Games was back in 2012, and I had the opportunity, even then as a lecturer at the KNUST Department of Biochemistry and Biotechnology, to also participate in it. And we knew the impact that we are making. Just about 2 weeks ago, I directed the Ashanti Regional Director of the National Sports Authority to come here to help with the assessment of the so far what have been put together for this important competition. And the report I received was very positive. Despite the menace of the COVID-19, which kept this very important competition on hold for about 2 years, I am also pleased to inform you that the report that we received at the National Sports Authority was quite positive, as all the various structures that we put in place, all the various equipment that have been authorized to be used here, all met the standard. The Gusa
Atiano ye komo bomo de timi de fa chezampa facilities no ene djuma maye no ne osmama open pa oba ba be rama wa santimatem a bomo de timi da no odu wani chimo National Sports Authority o maso kokore no onzampa djuma di no modi no e honte e krogen na afeso no e didam si ne ombe bomo de na o motimi de di djuma di na abeke 2019 o e na nka na wo se koso na covid trinity no ene atwentwen so na 2024 ene djuma di no aba be rama e boa na ne mada yeso era monte no e professor PT Chumesi ere bomo de timi din nkomo sa na mamenko abiya fo na ekrado ye ni nkomo akra na ye residence sem no isi ati akomia bibia hye de
nyame adom abudia bibia de dedi
o de me fine.
Yes, I mean say Gusa Games an interesting results be pim schools bi kodi agro ho kakra bi susu ko mo mani bre I mean say GIG de omo bre wo ho pa because you check here this morning crampo no Imana football no mo boy no UCC man share GIG University for man 7 goals to 0 ana memma no so che a member from University of Education Winneba so che GIG for memma no so share almost 7 goals to 0 the Abuja buti say GIG for no man about the Shipping Boys
Wo fe pa
we fe mo we fe mama for say mo microphone ne cameras na ja o mo fan twa tournament ne preku because o mo yen central for no mo nyai ago can see na o mo see it has been very interesting package for them, especially even in basketball. They lost 128 to 0, 8 points spent on Munyai against KNUST Mema in basketball, which means GIG the me say but I feel say as the tournament goes forward now, we'll be enjoying some of these things from table tennis, from volleyball, from a lot of things a bit to be from Aba. But Abu Dhabi on Asama I don't from Ponkai in terms of more ambitions for the top 4 and for the league. I think say realistic the my team friend were Adriana Stars. This season Nankasano under an experienced coach I nim ni Jumedia wedi Ghana has say. Anyhow, we are responsible for even making sure say top talents ever fan in some media piano. Or bottom 4 of the Ghana Premier League. Ghana and should I will be asa. But I think say the peak of it, ebe how Adriana Stars beat him fighting for the league title at the end of the day. And me to me say or more the men or more the quality. It's a side of more the experience. It's a side of more young players. We are more very talented and we are very energetic and more stamina no also meet me no about Akwakusi 3. They will only need to be consistent and it's too early to talk about title challenge. Intina as a in some of tough one they are realistic. You can be ambitious. Ababoy woman kasa no bet my ambitious. You bet me anya susu bi o trim say
ahane mani so ade hunu ba bia me pese me kopim nie but it to the be a drew stage bia no I din wo ho kakra te say me ben so aba anything can happen bibia so betimi adane around the table and teams are also beginning to pick up their form. Yeah, about 34 league matches Abu Dhabi. Afini abomu 5 which means akama 29. Abu Dhabi say 20 matches Krampona say win in Kramponi nyina. That is 60 points we are talking about. And after the first round no and you be hunu team na ho odi ngina na so but it doesn't mean say Duana Stars and start here. Because Abu Dhabi to play 5 matches now lose ba ko kra. No about draw ba ko against Samatex. That means the rest of the games need 3 points. It shows you the kind of job they are doing as a club. And me bomb about so mujumedi or mudi no. Omoto to omunyo and I believe say then Emmanuel no. Abu Dhabi these things about player transfer. Omu free chroma say akonoma ko trials no masaba. Minim de ba brand here no injury nurse no no ko de ba ya na.
Oh, are not the any there according to you know. Also okoye kasa na na nwe pe but oba na obo Ghana league ni bi na no dey na onya ni pra na season na wentimi ansha
because the tia me busa sase you prebi one me betimi ahye ho enyi ni ho adida
o de be bobo na
o de be bobo na ye krom ase you prebi one me mama dey ato aso bobo wo kata wo de be bobo krom ase
o ende no kre
uti power de be bobo krom ase so kotodwe crampo no bi butu crampo na ho to chima kakra bi kra be ma de rob ne blog atoto so me abo bandage me do abegina park so amo but these people no omo go through a lot of processes to identify say scammer or spending on you no enkoye kabo it is smaller details obetimi abo adrum pempen so say kotodwe no yehwemu a na ho odin te say within the next 4 years or 5 years obetimi abo am yatime hunu ye wo say ya na ne akobo onsan no kakra ye bo onsan no na ya age say no kra na say nya no kra before all of these things will come into context and some a team ni so invest sometimes the reason why they stop some of these transfers no minim say commodity wo about transfers fee betima say no minim say nyoma bro betima say but Abu Dhabi omo timi hwedin no mo hwe age no mo hwe injury no mo hwe say wo say wo yedu be room into the first team why na ba competing within the first team nipa na ba competing the quality need to say equal and obama balance ben no mo ye thorough research into whatever that you are supposed to do na Abu Dhabi omo hwe na say was still na no ye ma bo na mo wa na 23 na mo hwe na space na wo senior team no mo a ebeja akwa mo asaba and Emia is a fine player, so much quality which personally me to me say he has a bright future ahead of him and I'm wishing him all the best to say obet me I recover as soon as possible ama league no dey also almost set me can almost set me aka. But I think say even without him, Bechem United is doing a lot of good things. And when you say Agama Mobile looking forward, say Abrante BT say no, but Sassuolo is a big club in Italy. Abu Dhabi is a big club, and they are the breeding grounds. Sassuolo are the breeding grounds for most of the Italian teams, you know. Some youngsters. Obu on my youngster no ofi AC Milan Academy, ofi Inter Milan Academy, ofi Juventus Academy. Now omo person bebo first team na also omo free team no kwa. Their first result is Sassuolo. Because one or more time they develop talent. Look at the players every Sassuolo Munine Piaba, Domenico Berardi, and everyone is talking about Fratesi. Fratesi form whatever. A national team no them, not Fratesi.
Ona Skamaka
Munina, P free buy. Rapstadomi free buy. So if you are looking at the talent, you could talk money baby or more grooming Kulani Nadi or more free buy. Jeremy Boga. How we see grooming Jeremy Boga. Any baby or free na buy. So I think it's a club. They will give you the opportunity, they will give you the time. On be monitor so well, will progress. On be there actually instant results is important. There, but you said all that factor. Edema Sassuolo. On more DNA say mid table and at top 4, they will be there. No more roomy about but the main aim is to make sure somebody may develop a lot of talent and sell them to the European market or even the Italian market. So me bon pa man no say we dey o manika say enye no man pa ebumunya dey na o ma me mutie ya mo man pa ebumunya dey because that's the talent that is a platform you can't afford to miss. And Abu Dhabi me to me say these things you know very important say to the bia umuma say so bon pa ni bi na the tertiary na boa ema akola no etimi eko na menim say Emmanuel no that chain dan anim no yenye hu mu ketekete kra
Michael Akomia
top talented player
Michael Akomia
top talent and Abu Dhabi yenye hu mu say kra yenye hu mu say kra
also qualify for U23 no
yes. So injury nintia
ko
kra da he's one or a project ni bia Clinton Diodu or no man Dominic Insobila these guys ni na no Imano every year ban here. Ghana kasa ultimate health system na who omo project players. Ibrahim Danlad. If you look at them, you know say we mu there. Oye dem kra na national teams no. We mu no a project a ye groom omo de ba. Sylvester Simba mo. So I really wish them a very good luck. Say obetimi recover as soon as possible. Now wetimi aba. Talent we there tenafie be hardly. Abu.
La bibi a shey there.
Na me ado bibi I come. Obviously men kancha akomia. I say please tell akomia to take it easy on us. We are only 2 years into competing at the Gusa Games.
GIG4.
It's good because sports infrastructure credit. They are only growing into the Gusa. Say we are 27th edition.
Yeah.
Until I feel no money near.
You know what's accommodate Batman
finish.
I was accommodate Samini Bebo Biakra.
Omo level of from.
I was accommodate Samini baby.
The UCC acquires you said the Brazil of the Gusa Games. UCC Legonke University. Omo acquire Brazil, Germany, Italy, Nimene.
University of Education Winneba because of
sports now. So no mass so
we never be sure
okay infrastructure now we mo wona
anyway
now they compare GI
because yeah hono there were multi-purpose auditorium kese e wo yan kasa ya mini stadium a
mo yeso adwuma
ana hall bia na anye kra no obe 7 aside oboso ana basketball no campo do every single hall e will be any volleyball every single
yeah UPIDS na obi frame me so boy bi o ya very prosper dazo na men ko boy no o dem no mo first game is 6:30 aropa no ahomia akwa na 19 years or 20 years first game no she 2 goals ya assist 1 ahomia ball na the only interested is say office be bra ba no ho a even your local clubs no for you omo pen no but abusia for they say uncle school ni wie ko so a
who be about for really a year your clubs no by now they should be
They should be
there smart
after first game no for need come
sports teachers na sports coaches no to send them reports scouting reports but how the baby am come on econo talent free competition say be school competitions I was say GFA no money to say they will scout for some of these best talent for your juvenile national teams.
Yes.
Yes focus yen develop your juvenile football. Wabra yen rope in schools, whether tertiary, senior high school, junior high. Yen neglect yomo. I was so more programs or more football related. I was so many GFA no on the same bed. Na omutu sana money di bomb. And no money betimi a project where akwafrani ko school osua de bie na adwemo. No asanso abobo. Abu typically omo bobo could do a train no omo yonko for madwemu do.
Yes.
Footballers omo amabo to the top level. They are very intelligent people. You just look at them where there's a ball no ball okay. But it takes a lot of imagination, creativity. Say pass it the atoa I was say koto way now so only the dimensions anyway physics and mathematics calculations because angle say me both free kick na Beckham's free kick was studied the entire because the physics behind it the explanation scientifically na bradwin entire so say nipa ba ku to me ball as against the force of the wind in framano now ball need to me chia e bend say ni e benya bend it like Beckham Roberto Carlos banana free kick no so I am speaking to the extent that on to me in far this yan ton chain and far good year and son ton chain and they the baby are we are no ye kabum near the tumpong. So the GFA must be in bed with these games, Gusa, Milo. They should understand what is happening. As a GFA did you must say municipia, it has to do with the regional football associations. Minimal there, say Ashanti regional AFC. Omona mo yentetia wo Gusa grounds wa. So mo monitor the course to a pajo football competition. Omo note it down. To say boy ya can prosper. So Oman noting it down. So, you want this bright young talent, 19 years. Wabo 1 game, washe 2 goals, wama 1 assist, 3 goal involvement. Yeah, monitor after subsequent matches. Quickly, you're able to put together a technical report. A technical report. The FA has their radar on him. And maybe soon as a boy way on board farmer any club team cry. FA year call us for the under 20, or more year call us for year under 23. They have this boy, I'll make me trying out. So me yen to sa a good year new in sense school. You me to tonase. Let's take it serious.
I mean, you have a disadvantage to abom say. I don't know. Premier League players and they qualifies on both, you know.
Yeah.
And just what about crab it me about.
No, as it stands now, what's the time anyway, you know. Premier League in the and by time I break it for World Cup in India, then they can return to campus now almost at camp preparations now. And once the mostly coaches ne per se omunyo boys nantem no more camp or more so that they will prepare them for the competition. Sana akwa let's look at how things will go. But maybe FNO should really take this serious and have a keen eye on their development.
For agency, you know,
very crucial.
Okay, Chelsea strike bright upon sir.
Yeah.
Then all University of Ghana.
Exactly.
And no more than a call techie.
And you can never tell what will happen. We know the attorney said, "Ufa born him crana and koyam famowa or degree."
Yes.
You can further your education or go for another employment. And Bobo on this would say, now we need national collapse anyway. According to only get the infam. So you can travel even abroad and then try your luck elsewhere.
Mike,
your lower leagues now was Scandinavia. Obibo University League says, "Obeti me kwa question of Bobby."
Yeah, Obeti Mabobi.
Yeah, and then you can still go to school.
And we know
scholarship. West Africa. Asan inti according to Onisha see free that stage.
Last is I call it. Last time I called it to outside the UDS for now.
Yeah.
So I'm only the team here, Real Tamale United and Tamale City.
Yeah, say your project.
Yeah.
Obeko school no, then we give you a professional club. Obetimi a try out. And they say me a coach. Na ma coaching school. Me buy out. I say me attachment. Inti me club be a. Na me ne club ne nya sankita ho. They no training me. Na send you be ya metimi.
Well, I go. They are doing very well.
They are very crucial.
Say boys no ma for more.
Any youngsters.
UDS or na be Tamale City. You omo kra no we no. Ebe affect you. We are two team no. Say Shaibu Tanko.
Yeah.
Ono na na your coach. No na no some coach out.
Na say we.
So is if you check out Ronald Frimpong. George Renchi, omo na players be 8. Omo nyina ebe affect you.
Renchi wa ba Chelsea on.
Renchi features about you.
We features equal out to you.
School no be waiting.
Okay.
As well be concentrating.
All right. Now Abu, there is something about this whole process. O say opoku ntinkwada no. Onti ase die ntia omusi ball mo ball na. Aye omo ball no omo ball na so eni na yefe. It is about one thing. You see, adia ba ko Ghana yen lake the talent. Talent ni ye de ye form na omo ye raw ball no timi ball ba ko mienu miensa. Ofa talent ni we Abu. I was say we polish talent no. Now how do you polish the talent? Your coaching, your training, and through that process, no, obenya the development.
Me crowd no, but this is the UDS team no. How do you guys naba?
Amaba.
As it Davis had a bag and I'm on.
Into Amaba.
Omoha.
You never show. Almost also call Omako for RTU and the but you see, I am talking particularly about idea back when I dream so I am pay attention to scouting for talent across board. Yenye Opokunti Academy Sakaris.
Yeah.
The Omoyane they expose talent, but before so be expose talent, no. I was how share Mantria, Enkro, Mantem, talent be a hinte biano. You give them the opportunity, but you don't just give them the opportunity. I was how polish them, also training them. How many of our clubs and are well equipped to train talents to bring out the best in them? Opoku into the no, or the scene and to say, but I say na me pesa me pesa me fan kwadano, me call mu bom, me teti omo. Entity ye different. And then me a young player na me kokoro kwa. Omu nya time on tete me ebe ha me. Me omu nya time on fama me. Why? Because kodokone first team na kwa ye a top teamer or targeted trophies. Banka kodokone or youth setup be a fully functioning. Ne dimua. Then they will take the talent, polish them, and then a be bet me about senior team name omukra bet me atombi. So we are not paying attention to that. The opokunti ye no a special dear banya dear be a brother in tiasesu bebre. It is because ye fa ye ninko. Ye de ye pe they are bang. And Quadano rate no more ba. They don't even need to play the Division 2, Division 1 league, and as a Premier League no for long. Omo buy up, just see how good they are. Here on SL. How many seasons now? On SL boy answer the Hey, preparation. See, I prepare.
I don't know how that for you other day.
Hey,
Kevin
Abibio.
Hey,
it is because still. Among born it's out. They are also exposed to foreign tournaments.
Oh, okay.
It's almost about foreign competitions. We too quiet. So yama a new youth development and then the future of Ghana football. And the born are here born. Say young Kaya who say in the next 10 years, young players or more honey be into a new court and Ketu anymore. Yabeka name we can't make any progress. Until let's look at one. Yepe top coaches, young can say yepe coaches who are at the youth level, they'll be A+, they'll be solid. A crucial the mind. Lastly on Dreams FC. Omunye dream start to the campaign, but acquire night marriage. That is you know, omoda no ma bopiti no ma sorry. Omoda no ma bopiti no ma sorry. Didn't make us in their first 2 games, omo winning a keep clean sheet. In their next 2 games, omo concede a Lucy wa bro man go. In their last game, I can once him, which was last weekend. Omo boy, man, she be almost why I'm sure. Results, no, I'd take a nose dive. It's in a trace, a butu, a problem. Was it if they will raft there?
How for the Aleka?
Yeah,
but I will say a fair say, Kawazi.
I thought how can you?
Maybe
I asked the wool raft.
A how for the lebality. Say a fig glass of the raft.
Ignatius yourself. What did you
I love a pass of our yeah, baby say. Oh, what the deal with the fellow? Don't run.
That see a friend is
Dabby.
Your furniture so been a different to see a friend say.
Don't run fragile.
Ignatius yes no. Oh man, because the next games of Obebo Abu, I think say Obebo dia now. Then Obebo can face a Obebo has to focus our tough games but unfortunately for him, and unfortunately.
Papa, and I said I hear you.
Oh, William, Yamma Bruno, the benefit of the doubt.
Ah, okay.
Yamma America. On say Sompa Sports. When you say you baby or baby behind your baby bejo. Said and sent for me who receive so we receive dear Sivina. And Obaka say or Yadi. Nelso, Ubitumin has a BB. We will GD Wabridge woman. Supporters in Yanta, Brunia the internet. Obey Manamai. Obey Manama has. Na Miss Ramon for a moment you never would name you go rest for Bodam. Others up a mobile senka has that 13 near Bana near 14. Ball way in Yasha Nano Saturday and then Yapanetti and Muntin Free.
Alright. No, almost all multi free man come with 1 point. I come in 1 point.
Omuntin Free.
Ah, yet TV.
Teacher any business and quad on your drain, you'll be a no Jawa wins and sign. Now back a crab of coyens and sign with Johnny Hawk. Baku you Johnny and sign with teaching in a mon marvel. But who said some passport is in San January? Was it your very call?
Oh, Nijana and Daba, or not, I bury up on that way. Elko, teacher, or very since I know. Yet you cover 3 points, your cock, Mupamun switchery. So I'm person catcher. Yammy had my Wednesday and if anything, Carella. Said to me, make KBBS has a bomb Modia Shesa Carella for ya. Me, you know, about 5 times in show Modo. Say Yamia Dumness a Wednesday at Tomaya. Your poor match and Benjamin Mekalaba. I could call that a just what I said. Manchester and Makoja Combe Fee. The Mamako French for no. Tamuniafa. La Proga. Was it like in Faisal, the Mame Boku? Latifafa, Pascal Moussier, Boulation, Telesoir. Was a mansan booking face I would do. Ah, why then?
Face I would do.
That tells you a wood alone.
Kianaki,
Ombu,
Kianik Ombeko, son of people never.
I'll make way.
Kianaki, face a beko.
Hefa.
Face a beko.
Ah, I like.
What about 5 matches won't share about Ukraine for now?
Nice on Mary.
The people in the Benjamin American, Salajela Ma, Saman Fu. Where go to Chrome Chronicle? Club du Ghana, Salabité de la Samates, Pascal Lemon, Outillation, Le Monde, Le Soir. Wahuno, Kotoko. almost Samatis. I get 3 points. According to people are not so say some of our 3 points are usually the man of the match.
I like no HSA.
Some more for 3 points almost playing a man of the match.
I'll play any man of the match.
I don't would have few one.
Sompa Sports.
I like. How was that DJ Justice playing a man of the match?
Maybe the people on the Abana make one.
I like.
The people on the cannot.
I like.
Media men who just blame people that say French for
one man of the match.
One player no. No so go no. And a French for the Abana.
Na mo the other la mo get 3 points ah. Confoli player kiss you fi man of the match.
WWE has the one more has the one.
I like. I like the yo. Over pass am on you.
Asamba na me pamon.
Oh the
French for the idea by say French.
Oh the old boy. Oh the old boy we why 3 points be man of the match. Oh the kwashe
go to Express. Club de Accra Otrika Dantukwe Saint-Lacor Otutuye de Aki de la Popo aussi moi fédération. Aussi Akini Popo coach number ne buy no. Obeya de kakra o sign up people and buy.
I know you why.
Sompa Sports.
Akini Popo no alive Akini Popo.
Nya kabi no bodo ti. Salajila ma asabanfu. Asante Kotoko show class. Asante Kotoko show class as they subdue Samates.
Sompa Sports.
Sabe ko fomene de bae. Se Kotoko abon ho modena. Omo de Samates at proper place. Sana people anaka.
Sompa Sports.
We ye abriye Club du Ghana Salabites de la Samates de la Samaboy Pierre le mort le chemise a plaidé à demain la mort. Voici actuellement tout un coup wansane.
Sompa Sports.
Samates pour des sous non. Actuellement tout un coup wansane.
Ala ya no HSA.
Azeke Kotoko here tough team. Premiership pro so na se wono Samates so be she Kotoko enye possible. We people friend tell moi party. Voici Atalanta de l'Italiano, l'amitié de Napoli, c'est quoi bandila, mouvier la co. Now no match Atlanta and Napoli. Alata bako, hana people say. Alata equalize Alata.
Alata shen alata te.
Pepe.
Ah, okay.
Club du Ghana, dem dibe wiye no. Célébrité Voici élimination de l'Algérie de la Club du Ghana, africain de la champion de célébration, la supporter au Girmois Pompidou.
Sompa Sports.
People no so see mo 32 years ene na no memene Asemi si Ghana ya jama e.
It doesn't.
Ya jama na wonti ho abaka semda.
Maintain one semda.
32 years.
Maintain one semda.
Asante Kotoko. Ene Ojira club bi ball African Cup Championship. Ombe ball has a scholar na mu final Kotoko ko second leg ombo match on Friday night. Ombo no mi Kotoko full film. Ade chin ya memene da na bo bok of the whole Ghana. Say ya jama e.
Di ajaba ele ba yelo
32 years in
alage
send the people na dia ba na usia na
alage
Arsenal de la UK was Arsenal ta ko boost Stamford Bridge na gum mami cha koju asempa Richards
Sompa Sports
kono oye na guma kapenta papa me da se papa
alage baba shai
papa
alage ba pass mama bi o
dia se na me papa
na ya jama 32 years no alage.
No, history. He's reminding the general public that.
And I want your history as a Jamai.
Next will be the about no can be the about on can.
Oh, them at it. But that's so them my family call this. 055.
I didn't check question. I don't trust a congo. But I'm going to me and the
05519 05519